Good morning, guys. This is India. There's a rapid metro coming in. I'm heading to Jantar Mantar, guys, for the protest to fight and support the Cockroach Janata Party and Sonam Wangchuk at Jantar Mantar. It's 6:45 a.m. on the 20th of July. Good morning, guys. My name is Amarwani. Okay, and I'm heading to Jantar Mantar. It's 6:52 a.m. on the 20th of July 2022, and I just couldn't hold myself. I've been thinking for the last few days if I should go to Jantar Mantar, and I am going to Jantar Mantar. Okay, I'm going to support the Cockroach Janata Party's protest led by Sir Sonam Wangchuk. Okay, and I'm going to be there. It's raining right now. I didn't take an umbrella because I couldn't have been so mobile without the umbrella as I can be with the umbrella. I just carried a poly bag for my phone, so if I get wet, I get wet. So I'm heading there. So a few of my comic friends are also coming. So I'm not going myself. By myself. I'm going with a bunch of comedian friends. I'm so fucking proud of all of them. I'm waiting for the rapid metro, and that's very irritating because I'm supposed to be at Delhi by 8. But rapid metro will clearly delay me now, and it takes 8 delay. Yesterday also I was making the vlog and rapid metro kind of delayed me. It was like 8 minutes every time I come. For the last 3-4 times at the rapid metro station, the train is taking 8 minutes. Right now it's 6 minutes. So it fucking delayed me. I ran here from home to the rapid metro station so that I don't waste time, but they're wasting my time. I'm like, it's 6 minutes, and there was no train when I came, so it's taking about 10 minutes to come right now at this point. So I'm heading there. Cool. Let's see how the day goes. It's going to be an interesting day of life, and I'm looking forward to it. Okay. Jai Hind. Okay. I'm feeling so patriotic right now. You know, I was so patriotic as a child, and I used to sing all these patriotic songs. But you become an adult, you kind of lose touch with a lot of your ideals, and you don't do much because you get busy with the exigencies of life. But look at the guy who's founded Cockroach Janata Party. He's been there for a whole month. He could have spent his career in the US. He studied at the Boston University, Abhijit Dipke, and people who are supporting him, the people coming from all over the country today. It's an important day. Okay, and let's see what happens. So I'll let you know what happened anyway. Okay, I'll let you know what happened. Alright, guys, we are at Patel Chowk Metro Station. I'm with Amit, and we are heading to the Patel Chowk Metro Station is closed because they didn't allow anyone to get down there because clearly there's a lot of crowd there. So we are waiting at Rajiv Chowk for a few of more comic friends to come, and then we will walk to Jantar Mantar program. Alright, guys, we're heading to Jantar Mantar right now, and look at the crowds here. This is the way to the Jantar Mantar, and there are so many people walking to support the protest started by CJP, the Cockroach Janata Party. Sonam Wangchuk is still He's still in the hospital, illegally detained by the police, but everybody's here to support. Everybody's here to support the protest. This is India 2026. It's fucking amazing. Okay, guys, this is Prajwal holding the placard, और ये हमारे साथ सारे कॉमिक हैं. राहुल हैं, ये अमित हैं, ये अभिषेक हैं. भाई आपका नाम? आकर्ष. और
ये उत्कर्ष है भाई.
उत्कर्ष. तो ये सारे कॉमिक्स प्रोटेस्ट करने आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे, और मैं अमर हूँ.
देखो भाई, आप कितना अलग कुछ आप पूछ रहे हैं.
Alright, guys, I'm at Jantar Mantar right now, and this is the beat. There's so many people here right now, and but they're not allowing. There's a lot of cops here. They're not allowing anyone to march to the parliament, which was the point of the day today that we were supposed to march to the parliament to submit the request to the parliament, but they're not allowing it right now. There's a lot of cops here and they're not allowing anyone to move beyond Jantar Mantar. So you see all the protesters are accumulated here, but they're not allowing anyone to move forward. So let's see. This is democracy. बोल दे नहीं This is India, guys. This is Delhi on the 20th of July in Jantar Mantar. There are people all over. People who come from all over the country to protest at Jantar Mantar because of the suicide of 20 students who died because of the NEET paper leak, and the cops are not allowing anybody to march to the parliament, which was the agenda for today. But it's all blocked there. They're not allowing even the CJP protesters to come out of Jantar Mantar. Everybody is inside, but they're not allowing anybody to come out. Oh, bhai. So when the government has to shut the internet, right, it's not a sign of democracy. When the government has to shut the internet, which is shut in CP for the last 3-4 hours since morning because they knew it was a protest day and thousands of people are expected to be here, they have shut down internet. People who are at the protest site are not being able to share videos or photos across their social media, and that's what the government is scared of, right? So there's no internet here. The internet is blocked because the government is scared of what's happening, right? They didn't allow the march. I'm leaving now. I've been here. I have a neck pain, and I came here because it was important to be here today. But I have to leave because the march didn't happen. There's heavy police presence, and they did not allow the march to happen. So I have to leave right now. Some of my friends are still there, but I doubt the march will happen. But there is no internet in the area. It's all blocked. There's heavy police barricading. Some of the metro stations are blocked. It's extremely tight security here to stop the protesters from marching to the parliament. That's where we are right now. Okay. So here it is. They blocked the metro station also. They're not allowing people to. They're not allowing people to enter. This is the metro station. It's closed. So clearly, I don't know. I can't even go home now because they've shut down the metro stations. The nearest metro station is New Delhi railway station, but even the autos are not taking us there. They shut down all the metro stations in CP. The internet is not working. That's fucking democracy. Hey guys, I've finally reached Gurgaon. I left very early in the morning for the protest at Jantar Mantar. It was supposed to be a march to Parliament, which the cops did not allow. I mean, obviously they're doing this at the direction of the government. So there was heavy barricading and massive cop presence plus rapid action force. But there were thousands of people who had come in. And walking inside Jantar Mantar was almost like really hard. But there were people protesting, groups, alone, people of all ages. It was quite a spectacle, and I'm glad I went. I'll share some clips from the protest later. I'm really tired right now because I slept about 4 hours last night and left very early for the protest. But I will share. Okay. Jai Hind. I mean, these guys should be held accountable, but they're too arrogant right now. Vote accordingly. Alright guys, a day of protests, okay? I'm protesting today. Basically in the morning, in the morning I went to protest against the government. The NEET protest in Jantar Mantar, and now is the second protest of the day. against my neck. Okay, my neck is still paining, but I went to the protest in the pain because it was the right thing to do. And now I'm going to a dance class and a swimming class. Now if I can't do it like I couldn't do it like 3 days back, I'll let you know. But that's the thing about me, I'm not afraid to fail, right? I'm not afraid to fail. At the most I'll fail, but I'll try. This is the life feed of a man who's determined to be happy at any cost. If he fails, he fails. But the question is not that if he failed, the question is the fight worth fighting. You know, considering I've become fire now, I wasn't fire all my life, but I'm fire now. So there are only two kind of people I like, you know. एक तो जो आग हो, जो मेरे साथ जल सके, और दूसरा जो पानी हो, जो मुझे बुझा सके. Okay, those are the only two kinds of people I need in my life. या तो आग हो या पानी. Hey guys, so I did a dance class and 70 minutes of swimming in a lot of pain. Okay, I have a lot of tingling pain on the left side of my neck. It's been there. All this gone down over the last 2-3 days when I rested, but I didn't have the patience to rest today. Now if it goes worse, I'll take another break. But the good thing is that, you know, I have done the workout today. I've done swimming, I've done dance, right? So at least the week has started. Now if I have to take a break tomorrow because of the pain, I'll take it. But I had to go today, right? I just couldn't not go today. So do I recommend it? No. I can do it because I can take a lot of pain. You know, I can take a lot of pain. But a lot of people can't, right? So I don't recommend it. So if you are healing from an injury, heal from the injury, right? And then you move on. Don't do what I do. Hey guys, the day review for 20th of July. I'm in the green room right now. I just got on the stage. So I did the stage also. I did my show. I did dancing. I did swimming in spite of the pain. I attended a protest at Jantar Mantar. So I did a lot. You know, obviously I didn't do a lot professionally besides the show and whatever. I focused on my health. I mean, obviously, it's kind of a trade-off today because I did swimming and dance, but I did it in spite of the pain. So, but I did a lot today, right? So the day is at least 7.5 to 8 on 10, and I still have pain, but irrespective of that, I'm happy I managed to do a lot of meaningful things today. It was important to go to the protest, and please watch if you get time, please watch the vlog for tomorrow. I'll put everything that I recorded today at Jantar Mantar and my general day beyond that. So I'm feeling pretty good right now. I do have pain, but I have to go and rest. And tomorrow, rest of the few days, I have to keep a little lighter physically and mentally. Mentally I have a lot of work, but physically I have to keep them lighter. So do watch the vlog for tomorrow. I'll put out the link somewhere. Good night. Try to be happy.